Good morning, students. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School, Navada. So today we are going to discuss. This is lecture number 11 of chapter 3, whole number. Whole number. So we were reading the division of the whole number. So today we are going to discuss some problems of exercise 3. See question number 12. Question number 12 says, find the least 6-digit number. Find the least 6-digit number exactly divisible by 83. Find the least 6-digit number exactly divisible by 83. So, what is the least 6-digit number? Yes, this is the least 6-digit number, and we have to find. Okay. So this problem is reduced to what number should be added to this, because if we subtract this number 1 from this number, then it will become 5-digit number. But we want least 6-digit number, so we have to divide it, and what least number should be added to this. So divide whatever this problem is reduced to, what least number should be added to this, so that this number is divisible by 83. So divide it 1 the 83, you will get 7 1. Okay. Now 2 is a 6, 2 is a 16, 4, 0, again 0, because it is less than that. Now 1 0. Now you will count it as 6 5 4 times. So 4 3 is a 12, 4 8 is a 32, 33. So 8 6 68. Now you have to multiply. You have to multiply this, the least 6-digit number that is divisible. It means 83 into 1205. Multiply it and you will get the answer, the least 6-digit number. The least 6-digit number that is exactly divisible by 83 will be 1 greater than that. 83 into 12505. Multiply it and you will get the answer. Now we will see some another problem. One dozen. See question number 13. 1 dozen banana cost rupees 29. How many dozens can be purchased for? If 1 dozen banana cost rupees 29, then how many dozens banana can be bought for rupees 1392? 1392. Cost of 1 dozen banana is rupees 29. This is question number 13. Cost of 1 dozen banana is rupees 29. Then how many dozen banana can be bought for rupees 8? So number of dozens of banana will be equal to, just divide. What is the total amount? 1392. You have to divide with per dozen cost, which is 29. So divide it and you will get the answer. Okay, you can divide it. This is a simple problem and you have to divide it. For example, suppose if 1 dozen banana cost 10 rupees, then if you want to buy 50 rupees banana, one dozen banana cost 10 rupee, and if you want to buy 50 rupees banana, then how many dozens you will buy? One dozen, 10 rupees. Then 50 for 50 rupees, how many dozens? For 2 dozen, 20 rupees. 3 dozen, 30 rupees. 4 dozen, 40 rupees, and 5 dozen. It means 5 dozen. For 5 dozen banana will cost it. So how will you get this 5? By dividing 50 by 10. You will get 5. In this way you will solve this problem. Now you can solve this exercise. And in question number 1, how will you verify it? See, question number 1, some students have asked, sir, how we will verify it? 1936 divide 16. Question number 1, part first. How will you verify it? You have to verify it just like this. You are dividing 8 by 4. 4 2s are 8. So just multiply this 4. 4 into 2. Are you getting 8? Yes, you are getting 8. So this division is true. In this way you will. But in question number 2, if the remainder is 0, if that number is exactly, if the remainder is 0, then you have to verify it like this. 8, 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay? And you are getting remainder 0. If remainder is 0, then how you have to verify? Just multiply it. Multiply the divisor into quotient. 4 into 2. Are you getting the dividend? Yes, 8. Then it is true. If the remainder is 0, then you have to verify it like this. And if the remainder is not 0, for example, question number 2. Question number 2 first. Okay. Suppose 7 by, we have to divide 7 with 2. So divide 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Here remainder is not 0. So how we will verify it? We will verify it like this. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient. Okay, plus remainder. So what is divisor? Dividend is 7. Dividend is 7 and divisor is 2. 2 into 3. You have to multiply 2 into 3 plus add this dividend 1. What is 2 3 is 6 plus 1. Yes, you are getting 7. 7 on both sides. So LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. In this way you have to verify it. Question number 2. Okay. Now you can solve all the problems. So now exercise 3, there are many objective questions. So your today's homework will be exercise 3F 1 to 22. This will be your today's homework. Exercise 3F 1 to 22. Okay. We can see one more problem like this. For example, exercise 3F question number 13. See, 246 79 into 92 plus 246 79 into 8. How we can solve it? See here, 246 79 and 246 79. Okay, is common here. So we can take common. 246 79 is multiplied to both this and here common. So we can take common. So 246 into 79 will come here, and what will be remaining here? 92 plus 8. 92 plus 8, because 246 79 is multiplied to both 92 as well as 8. So by associative, by distributive law of multiplication over addition. We know that multiplication is distributive over addition. So we can write it like this. Now 246, 79 into what is 92 plus 8 is 100. Now 246, how will you multiply it? 79, it is double 0. In this way you will solve it. Okay student, now you have to complete this homework. For today, 3F want to continue. Okay, thanks for watching the video.